It's giveaway time. Modders Inc. and Viper Gaming by Patriot have teamed up to give you an amazing giveaway. When we were asked if we'd like to do this, we said, yeah, hell yeah, of course. Please remember to subscribe and like. So what are the prizes? Just a couple of Viper M.2s. That's it. Yeah, I mean, just a couple. The first one is the Viper VPN100 512 gigabyte, with the second one being the Viper VPN100 1 terabyte. Yeah, those are pretty nice. Viper Gaming's VPN100 PCIe M.2 SSDs deliver the perfect combination of ultimate performance, ultra-fast speeds, and multitasking capabilities. 5 times faster than a SATA SSD, the VPN100 is the best in class for reliability for gamers, tech enthusiasts, content creators, 3D modelers, and video rendering professionals that are looking for blazingly fast startup times and instant access to their data for better productivity. The VPN100 M.2 solid-state drive is designed with an external thermal sensor, which lowers the risk of overheating and eliminates performance drops. Also, the VPN100 includes a built-in aluminum heatsink with 6 thermal fins to provide excellent cooling. The VPN delivers superior performance at maximum reliability, becoming the best solution for all-in-one PC kits, small form factor builds, or high-performance gaming PCs. Not only do you get all of that, you also get Patriot's award-winning quality, their 3-year warranty. The Patriot VPN100 delivers one of the most reliable choices in performance SSDs. Okay, I don't know about you, but that is a pretty sweet giveaway. All you have to do is click on the link below. A few more clicks and you are entered. It's simple as that. Sit back and just wait to be the winner. Good luck, and thanks for entering the contest. Please remember to subscribe, like, and take a look at some of our other videos. Man, how can I get a hold of one of these things? Sure could use that.